There's two things that I want to tell you. The first thing is that if you've been charged with drink or drug driving, it's really important to seek the advice of a specialist solicitor. Most solicitors give free initial advice over the phone. And the reason for that is that drink and drug driving cases aren't simple or straightforward. There's always more to a drink and drug driving case than just a positive breath reading or a blood reading or a urine reading. And that's because there's various rules of disclosure and there's things that can often go wrong for the prosecution service. An example of that might be that if we enter a not guilty plea in the magistrate's court, the CPS are only given a certain amount of time to serve the evidence against you, and that's normally 28 days under the court's standard directions. Now, because the prosecution are very, very busy, there's administration problems, there's staffing shortages, there's been some strike action more recently, they really struggle to keep up. And if they can't provide the evidence in time, I can normally make an application to exclude the evidence against you, which means then you wouldn't be convicted. And the second thing to tell you is I'm sorry about the moustache, but it is Movember and we are trying to raise some money for charity.